All right, we're down here, Riva today. Guys are installing a last minute Christmas lighting project. What'd you think, Nort? We'll go around the door?
Yeah.
I think that'll look good. Hey, Angel. What do you say, Kev? So you got the roof line done?
Yes.
Got the wreath up? That looks good. Yep. What color are you going to go around the door? Clear?
The same.
Warm any? That'll look nice. That'll look real nice. What do you say, Mr. Bird? What do you think?
I like it.
Looks sweet?
Yeah. Simple, clean.
Yep.
Easy.
I was going to say, simple and clean. Sometimes that's good.
On whether it's our fault or the homeowner, not someone's fault, but they want to do a million different colors all around the property. Every tree's a different color, but
that can get complicated too.
It looks nice when it's all continuous.
I'm with you. Sometimes just a warm white,
Yeah.
or just one, like I said, one color. Looks good then. Double it up. Yeah, you want to double it? Double looks good. Depends on the project. But I think here around that door frame, it'll look good. Double. How much garland we have left at the office? A little bit?
I'm not sure. We probably still got 2 full pallets going.
That's some still left.
Yeah.
It's always hard to anticipate that every year, you know? I remember one year we cut it short and we were buying it all over the place at the last minute, remember?
Yeah, that was 2-3 years ago. We blew through all of it as soon as it came in.
Yeah.
Last year it slowed down, but still wasn't this bad as this year.
Kevin takes it, makes necklaces out of it, and wears it around his neck at night, I think.
You think I use the red or not?
I would keep it clear, warm white. What do you think?
I would do the clear.
Unless you're going to take and put whatever color you do around the here, you have to do it around the wreath. If you want to redo the wreath, what color are you thinking? We're just talking about leaving it all simple, warm white, you know? But if you wanted to switch it, Nordy, we'd have to put some color in the wreath then too to match it up, you know?
That, or we'd have to throw some on the shrubs right there. Get it somewhere else.
No, it had to, green wreath it should be on the same. You know what I'm saying? So if you use candy cane around the door, you need candy cane in the wreath to blend it. Not, it's going to be jumping out.
One of those for your yard?
I was thinking about it.
Chase's new best friend?
Jason probably drag it in, put it in his dog bed, carry it in. Wouldn't hurt it. He would just carry it in, put it in the dog bed, go to sleep. Jason, what are you doing?
My dog would bark at it and be afraid of it, never go outside again.
Going to Edgewater next?
Yes.
Okay. We'll meet you down there.
Okay.
Okay? All right, we're going to go to Edgewater. Actually, we got another project we're going to check up on, and then we'll come back through here, and then we'll go down to Edgewater, come back through here, and keep on running. What do you say, Mr. Bird?
Sounds good to me.
Ha, 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 ha. What do you say, Kev? All righty. We're down in Edgewater. Got a little townhome. We're going to get knocked out, bring this client a little bit of Christmas joy here. What's up, Kevin? How are you, sir? How are you?
Hi.
You got Angel with you? Angel in the house? There's Angel. Angel's in the house. So you're going to do the roof line up there with cool white, right? We'll do this shrub here. Do this guy here. You got lights for here. What you got? Got some color? And I was going to do that railing.
Yeah, that looks good. I like the frosty.
Oh, thanks.
It's warm out here, isn't it? Almost 60 degrees today. Crazy. Tomorrow it'll be 27. Huh?
Nordy's sweating.
Nordy sweating? Then tomorrow it'll be 27 degrees and rainy.
Yeah.
Crazy weather.
It's Maryland. Yeah.
So Nordy, we're gonna do down here, well, with some garland. You got garland? That'll look nice. Don't do no garland around the door. Leave the door like it is. We'll just do this. Roof, shrubs, leave that like it is. Because that's our only way in and out, so you don't want to be blocking out with the garland, you know?
I wonder if is there an HOA here?
Yeah, yep.
They'd always be difficult to deal with and get on board, but hit neighborhoods like this and all these community trees. I assume that they're community trees, HOA property.
Yeah. The trees would be.
For the whole.
I didn't think about that. That'd be a good idea, isn't it? I think we'll put you in charge of that next year. You'd be the HOA commentator.
We might be banned from a couple HOAs afterwards.
Yeah, I can hear that negotiation going.
As long as we could find a place to get power or talk to the homeowners to get power.
Yeah, but if you come down here, I'm looking, right? So if you did this tree, that tree, that tree, that tree, that tree, the end, right?
What,
But but then you have these two big ones, this small one. Yeah, it'll look pretty good, wouldn't it? Then you got this small one here. What color would you go?
I'd probably go white, warm white or multi.
I think multi would look sharp too.
Yeah.
Either one would look good, but multi, wow, that would jump, wouldn't it? Look pretty.
I mean, these two are pretty big, but
Look pretty festive for sure.
all the rest are 10 to 30
Well-
strands.
Well, you know, thinking about it, if you're going to do that, you got to remember the homeowners are going to do their color. So then we should. Then if I was you, that's what I just said.
Yeah.
I would probably go with a warm white or a cool white because you want that to be
blank.
neutral. Yeah, as a slate.
Yeah.
Probably a warm white.
Unless they all collectively agree that no, white's a little too plain.
Yeah.
And for those that don't do anything, they want the color.
Yeah, that's true. A lot of ways to look
Just
at it.
Mix them up and do white and multi.
Yeah, you can do that too. A lot of different ways, right?
Yep.
There's really no right or wrong. You want to roll to another project? All right, we'll come back.
Yep.
All right, let's head on. Come on, let's go.
Let's go.
All righty, back here in Riva. Taking a look here at this job. Guys are finishing it up. Getting the garland around the door. That's gonna look sharp. You gonna put lights in that, Norty? You got lights? Hey, Nort, we just got to have that, remember, pulled up a little bit so when you open the door, it's not pulling into it. You know what I'm talking about, Mr. Bird? You don't want to open the door and pull into it, pull it off. That'd be a major hassle. I don't know if she uses the garage or the door, but either way, you don't want to, you know what I mean? Have that happen. Yep. That looks good. That looks good, guys. Perfect. Norty Nort, that looks good. All righty, we're going to head to another job site. Come on, let's go. Thanks for watching this episode of Life of a Contractor, and we'll see you next week with another episode.